In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word documents in Google Docs on both PC and Mac. Whether you are working on a personal project, collaborating with a team, or reviewing shared files, Google Docs makes it easy to access and edit Word documents directly in your browser. The best part is that you don't need to install any additional software, and the steps are virtually the same no matter which computer you're using. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. On the main Google Docs page, you will see a small folder icon near the top of the screen. Click on this icon to open the File Picker window. Once the window opens, select the Upload tab. Here, click Browse to locate the Microsoft Word document stored on your computer. After selecting your file, Google Docs will upload it and automatically open the document in an editable format. Google Docs supports standard Word file types, such as .doc and .docx, so most documents will open without any issues, allowing you to start editing immediately. Another straightforward method is to use Google Drive. Open your browser and go to Google Drive. In the top left corner, click the New button and then select File Upload. Navigate to the Word document you want to upload and wait for the upload to finish. Once the file appears in your drive, double-click it to open. If it opens in preview mode instead of the editor, click the Open with option at the top of the screen and choose Google Docs. This will convert your Word file into a fully editable Google Docs document, preserving most of your formatting and layout. If you frequently work with Word files, you can save time by enabling automatic conversion. In Google Drive, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Within the Settings window, check the box labeled Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format, and then click Done. From this point on, every Word document you upload will automatically convert to Google Docs format, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that your files are immediately editable. While Google Docs handles most formatting smoothly, documents with complex layouts, unusual fonts, or advanced formatting may experience slight changes after conversion. If you ever need to return the file to Microsoft Word, simply go to File, choose Download, and select Microsoft Word or .docx to save a copy back to your computer. And that's it. You can now easily open and edit Microsoft Word documents in Google Docs on both PC and Mac. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell